Is it possible to gain access to the VA home loan as a civilian? Yes, there is. Stay to the end. I got a surprise for you guys. Hey, if you're new to this channel, welcome. On here, we like to provide insight as to how you can achieve financial freedom with an emphasis on financial literacy. So today we'll be discussing how anyone, regardless whether you have served in the military or not, is able to access the VA home loan and its benefits. So first, let's discuss the resource. So the resource is the Vendee loan program, which is offered in partnership between the Secretary of Veteran Affairs and VRM Lending at the moment. So VRM Lending currently is contracted with the Department of Veteran Affairs to list all VA REO properties. So they have held this contract for approximately 2 years now. So as you can see from the quick fact sheet that I've listed on here, it explains what the VA Vendee loan is. And also, a couple of items I want to go over on here is it's for veterans, non-veterans, owner-occupants, and investors. So owner-occupants, you're going to be living in the home, and investors, you're going to use it as an investment property. So financing, it's with little to no money down, 5% for investment properties, and you can get 0% for owner-occupant properties. Obviously, the origination and funding fees may be rolled into the loan, like with the regular VA loans that military and veterans get. There's 15 or 30-year loan term options. There's competitive interest rates. So for me, I've got an interest rate of 2% on an investment property, which is less than what I got for a primary residence that I have, which is at 2.75%. The 2% interest rate is very low, especially for an investment property. I don't think you're going to see that with any other lender in the market at the moment. Obviously, seller may contribute toward closing cost. For that option, I find that to be a little bit more difficult because the VA doesn't usually contribute towards closing costs, but it never hurts to try. So when you submit your offer, you can have that in your contract. There's no appraisals required. These houses have already been appraised by the VA when it was originally funded. So the appraisal process, it's not needed from the VA. I would personally maybe get an appraisal for yourself just so you can see, what the property is valued at. Some of them are, I wouldn't say run down, but need a little work. Depends on how long they've been vacant and how the previous owner left the condition of the house in. A big thing that I know a lot of people get for is the no mortgage insurance. So usually you have a private mortgage insurance when you're putting down 20%, or when you're putting down anything under 20%, and that's with both residential mortgages or owner-occupied mortgages, as well as investment properties. So I think that's a big benefit as far as using the VA loan in comparison to using just traditional financing. So now a big thing I do want to touch on for those who, this is not going to be your primary residence, is the percentage that's required for the down payment on investment properties. So 5% down, which really is unheard of within the market. So, there's no cap on how many properties you can have using the Vendee loan process. So, if you are able to get 10 properties, 5% down on each one of those properties rather than 20% to 30% down on each property, it allow you to expand and scale up your business if that's what your goal is. Also for veterans or active duty members, when you're using the Vendee loan product, it does not deduct from your current VA loan entitlements. So I know a lot of people get worried about that. You'll get an investment property and then you may not be able to get a entitlement for your primary residence if you haven't already purchased it. So there's no need to worry about that. This does not deduct from the current VA loan entitlement, so you can have your VA loan and carry this loan at the same time. So the process of checking what houses are available for this program is on the website www.vrmproperties.com. So you're going to go to that website. You're going to search for these properties here. So if you can see on the picture, right next to the Vendee trademark symbol, to the right it says See Qualified Properties. You're going to select that, and it's going to bring up properties nationwide that are eligible for the Vendee loan resource. So you can scroll through these properties, check out the pictures. It'll have the information of the listing broker on the listing. If one of these properties is what you want to get into, go ahead and have your real estate agent submit an offer to the listing broker. Now, after your offer has been submitted to the listing broker, go ahead and submit your information on VRM on their site. They're going to have a representative reach out to you to discuss the funding for the Vendee loan. At the same time, you're going to be waiting to hear whether your offer has been accepted by the listing broker. So typically they'll do, a week, a couple of weeks to review the offers that have came in, and then they'll select an offer, or they'll reach back out to the real estate agents and ask for their clients to submit their highest and final offers. So you can go ahead and do that, submit your highest and final offer, and then wait to see if your offer has been accepted. If your offer has been accepted, you're going to follow through with the VRM lending process. So comment below if you guys would like additional info on the Vendee loan process. I know there's not a lot of information out there. It seems that a lot of real estate agents have not come across this product as of yet. So go ahead and hit me up if you guys would like additional info. This is a minimally used resource, so please, 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 if a property is in your area, try to take advantage of it. As always, if you found value in the content I've provided, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell for future content we may be coming out with. So for those of you who have stayed until the end of the video, congratulations. Like I said, I was going to be giving out a little surprise. So right now, 40% off the budgeting guide ebook. So this is for individuals in all stages of life. So whether you're a high school graduate, you're in college, or you're a college graduate, you're newlywed, or you're starting your family, this is a great resource to help you budget, to help you get into the financial endeavors that you want to pursue. The baseline that you have to start with is a budget. You need to know where your money's going. So 40% off right now on this deal. It's not going to last too long, so make sure you guys take advantage of it. The link is in the description, so go ahead and check it out. Thank you guys for coming by.